My name is Smalstig. I am 65 years old. I am a walker. I love to walk. About a year and a half ago, I was on my daily walk and got about half a mile away from my home and had the most excruciating hip pain I had ever had, and wasn't even sure I was going to be able to get home okay. I did, and that was when I realized that I was going to have to start doing something about the pain, and kept putting it off and putting it off and putting it off until I limped everywhere. It was just miserable. Dr. Heitoff told me that the pain was caused from the bone segments rubbing up against each other because there was no cushion between the joint and the pelvis, and that's what was causing all of the awful pain. He did some lab work, he did x-rays, and told me that I didn't have a hip joint left. The cartilage was all gone, and that he recommended that I have a hip replacement. I had my hip surgery at McLaren Port Huron Hospital. I had a left anterior total hip replacement, which means it was a different procedure than was done in the past. It's all done in the front of your leg, so I have about a 4-inch scar. I'm still amazed at how well I recovered afterward and how fast the recovery was. The pre-surgical team was amazing. The surgery itself took a couple of hours, I think. I was kind of out during that part of it. The recovery process, I knew all the people in recovery, and they took exceptional care of me. They were very good. And went right to my room from there and only had an overnight stay, and I went home the next day. I would recommend Dr. Heitoff to anyone. He's compassionate, he's knowledgeable, he explains everything to your satisfaction. And now that I have the new hip, I am walking again, I'm outdoors again, and I'm loving every second of it.